So, I have been looking for durian for a while, and I found it. I didn't find, well, I could look at a few more stores. I didn't find a raw full durian, but I did find frozen durian at this Asian market. I left it out to thaw for a bit. It was in the freezer last night, and I left it out for a bit to thaw just now. It's just like de-seeded, but it's just straight up durian. This is weird. I can smell it. It smells pretty gross. But I heard it tastes otherwise. So this should be fun. And then if I don't like it, I think also, like, since it's frozen too, I could definitely put it in a smoothie ice cream thing. Smell. Oh god. Oh my god, this smells so gross. Okay. Alright. 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 Ooh, I didn't think I'd be scared. It smells really bad. It doesn't taste like it smells. I definitely get what people say when they say there's an onion taste to it. I definitely get that. I can't really tell if I like it. It's like, at first you think it's sweet, and then it's not. I also think it probably tastes a slight different, just like straight from the plant. I don't know. The aftertaste, while it's in your mouth, it doesn't taste like onion, but the aftertaste is like onion. I think this is a perfect consistency to put in like banana ice cream smoothie, just like frozen banana, a little bit of frozen durian, and some plant milk or whatever. Here it makes it really creamy too. It's really interesting. Here's again the front of it. I think I still want to try straight up. I mean, it's probably not that different from being frozen. Definitely though, the rest of this I think I'll eat in a smoothie or something. I don't know. I think while it's in your mouth, it's good. And like the custardy thing people say. But the aftertaste is like onion. And onion isn't a bad taste unless you don't like onions. In which it would be a bad taste. I'm fine with it. But it's like interesting. Very interesting. Product of Thailand, so it's really filling. Yeah, I think that was really filling. Just those few bites too. I should probably read. So yeah, that was an experience. I think I built it up a lot more. Except I still have a lot. The smell. It doesn't smell like it tastes though. It definitely, even the oniony part, it doesn't taste at all what the smell is. So that part's good. Yeah, it was interesting. I'm excited for other new fruits. I really want to try cherimoya. Alright. Okay, bye.